Thanks for checking out our channel. This is just a kind of an overview video of a unit that we fixed for a customer. This is a Hotshock 1000. It's a unit that was made for Premier One. I don't remember who made this. Oh, it's the Horizont people over there. I think they're in Europe somewhere, Germany, somewhere. Anyways, over there in Europe somewhere. They made this unit a while back for years for Premier One. I don't think they make it anymore. It's an older unit. It's going to have older technology inside there, but it's a pretty good unit. Pretty stout. There's a hell of a spark in it now. The board was bad in it, and it was pretty badly burned up. I tried to fix a few things on there. I had no luck with it. Some of the parts that were burned up, so bad I couldn't even tell what they were. And you know, I couldn't get any parts for this unit. So we checked all the capacitors. They were all good. Checked the transformer. Theoretically, it was good, but we didn't know until we got the unit clicking and pulsing again, which it is now clicking and pulsing again. So what we had to do is we hardwired and retrofitted a different board in this thing, and now it's working great. It puts out a hell of a spark. It's a hot unit. So we'll plug it in here. You hear it clicking along. You can see the little light down there flashing. So let's put a voltmeter, electric fence voltmeter. Put the Gallagher one across it. So this is your ground, this is your fence. $9,000 volts come out of it. I want to show you the spark this thing throws. So I'm going to go from fence to ground or ground to fence. Doesn't matter. It's going to create a spark. Turn the light off so we can get a better view of it. I don't know how well that shows up on camera, but god dang, it's big, bright flash of light coming from it. But yeah, this unit's going again. Like I said, they don't make a lot of parts for it anymore. A lot of this older Hotshock and Teleshock, all that stuff back in the day. A lot of it was, a lot of it's older, probably 15, 20-year-old stuff. And they don't make a lot of parts for it anymore. So you basically, you know, if you call them up looking for parts, they're going to tell you, you know, sorry, you know, we don't make any parts for it. You know, you just need to, you know, we can take a look at it. If we can't fix it, you need to buy a new one. Well, new ones of this similar power are quite a lot of money. And we fixed this one for less than half that price. Quite a bit less. So it's got, the good thing is the board that we've installed in this thing is readily available. It's used in other brands and models. And it's designed for a unit with this kind of joule output. This is probably, it says 1000. I would guess it to probably be like a 15, 18 joule unit, somewhere in that range. It's got about 90 microfarads of energy on the capacitors inside there. And the board that's set up inside there, we've got it wired up, and it's maxed out, or its capacity of what it can handle to discharge is up to 18 joules. So it's, and I would guess based on the capacitors inside there, it's got to be 15, 18, 17, 16. It's up there quite a ways. So, and the good thing is these boards that we got inside this thing are readily available. I can get them all day long and hardwire and retrofit them inside this thing all day long. So this, if this had been sent anywhere else, it would have probably been just thrown away, or they would have tested a few things out, said, "Oh, sorry, sir, you know, or ma'am, we can't fix this for you. You have to buy a new one." Well, how much is a brand new one? They're like, "Oh, a new one's like $600 or $500 or $800, whatever a new one costs." You know, they're quite a bit of money for something of this quality, of this kind of joule output. You know, they're at least $400 or $500 for something of this quality. I mean, there's cheaper ones out there for like $400, but that's cheap junk for the kind of power this thing delivers. But anyways, if you'd like to take a chance on us, let's take a look at it for you. It's a free quote, 18-month warranty. and be happy to take a look at it for you. So until next time, we'll see you later on. Have a good day. Hotshock 1000.